Have you ever seen a plant that blooms endlessly? Its leaves always green, never dry, and roots spreading like veins of life? Today, I'll reveal a secret blend that nature itself would approve of. A potion of golden strength and sweetness that transforms any weak plant into a blooming wonder. Take 1 spoon of turmeric and 1 spoon of sugar. Two simple ingredients with incredible power. Place them in a blender with 1 liter of water and blend well until the mixture turns into a smooth golden liquid. Now dilute this blend with 5 more liters of water, making a total of 6 liters of powerful top dressing. This mixture does more than feed, it heals. It helps your plants recover from transplantation stress, heals wounds on stems, and strengthens roots deep within the soil. The turmeric acts as a natural antiseptic, protecting your plants from fungal infections, while sugar energizes root cells, boosting growth and flower production. Before use, let it soak for 3 to 5 minutes, then pour gently under the root of your plants. Do this once every 30 days and you'll see your plants responding with lush leaves, vibrant flowers, and unstoppable vitality. Let nature's golden cure work its quiet magic, because even the smallest spoonful can awaken life beneath the soil.